So to record on WhatsApp, you hit the icon that's got the little camera on it, and then it gives you instructions. If you want to take a picture, just tap it. Or if you want to record video, as I'm doing now, I hold my thumb down on the screen, and that continues the camera, keeps the camera rolling. I just did about a lengthy, maybe 6-7 minute monologue with some really good stuff in it. It was spontaneous. It really hit home, and I didn't have my finger on the button. So you will never, in this lifetime or the next, ever hear that brilliance. Just thought I'd tell you that, so you would expect too much from me after. Well, I'm spent. I'm spent. My creative mind is. Oh shit! Wow. Where the hell did that come from, man? Whoa. Whoa.